Today is Friday, November 12th, and we're leaving our beloved cabin now. We got the dogs packed up, the truck is packed up. So today starts episode 2 of the cross-country road trip vlog. Multiple signs, as well as the street, clearly says no trucks shall be in the left-hand lane. And look at this, all kinds of in the left-hand lane. And it's been for like 8 miles. He won't move. It's really hindering my progress. But anyway, we're somewhere in Tennessee. It's very beautiful here. We can get some more shots in. And there's something called Mountain Lookout that I kind of wanted to stop at, but I don't want to deviate too far off the trail. But anyway, just an update. Trucks driving all kinds in the wrong lane, and it's really upsetting me. I'm gonna call and report this. What up? We just crossed through Georgia, and Georgia was only like 20 or 30 minutes. I guess we just a slither, a little corner of Georgia that we passed through. So now we're in Alabama. We just knocked it out, and then we just pulled into this rest stop so that these dogs could walk and get their little energy out. Mia's still tired. She's had a long day. We'll explain that some other time. But she's doing good. Nala's doing good. The wife's doing well. And there's a fire back there, apparently. So we pulled in and we could see the flames coming. We were scared to come over here. But they're working it, trying to, like us, knock it back to not disrupt this, because there's a lot of trees, a lot of brush over here. So seems pretty dangerous for a fire to be here, but they're controlling it. It was just dope.
I would think that it would deter people from stopping here, because it would seem like there's issues.
Yeah, we almost did. I was scared to pull up. We were parked far away, but then I saw other people walking, so I was like, all right, let's do it. So anyway, that's an update in Georgia now. I mean, we were in Georgia, now we're in Alabama, and now we're about to go about 4.5 more hours to Brewton, Alabama, and then we'll see what else is going on down there. All right, see y'all when we get there. We got in, and now we're on our way to go visit some family a couple minutes down the road. So the dogs are settling in, they're getting comfortable. I think this is a new hotel that they just built here or renovated or something of that nature here in Brewton, Alabama. So the road trip's done for the day. We got 3 days of stability before we hit the road again. It was cool on the way in. We rode by my wife's old high school, and there was actually a game going on. Here is said game. And now we're gonna have 3 days of wife nostalgia while we ride around Alabama and see old stuff. Okay, that is all for now. We're gonna go do some Alabama stuff, which is probably like, I don't know.
Milk cows, stuff like that.
Milk cows and watch goats and do farming stuff or something. So until our next update, which I don't know when it'll be, we'll see y'all later. Peace. We're starting our Alabama day. Our first full day in Alabama is like kind of just starting, but we're gonna just not hit the road and go to a flea market right now once my wife opens the truck.
The chicken smells pretty good. Okay. Everybody
Nala. Nala, tell them where we're going. Tell me, Nala. Tell me. Oh, she said we're about to go take a walk. Well, she said we're going to Burger King first for breakfast, and then we're going to go take a walk in the park and fly the drone. We're going to get some drone shots. Right, Nala? Right?